Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Binance to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between exchanges like Binance and Coinbase can help you manage your portfolio more securely. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase Wallet. Double-check that your Coinbase Wallet is linked to an app or extension for easy access. Once you're logged into Binance, head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is stored. Next, find the Withdraw option for USDT. This is crucial. Always verify the network you're using. For Coinbase, you'll typically want the ERC20 network, but confirm this in your Coinbase wallet to avoid any hiccups. Now, copy your Coinbase wallet address. Pro tip: never share this address with anyone, and always paste it directly to prevent errors. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs to ensure you're not sending too little. Hit Withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. Binance will process it quickly, but blockchain confirmation can take a few minutes. Once it's sent, switch to your Coinbase Wallet app. You should see the USDT arriving shortly. Keep an eye on transaction status using tools like Etherscan if you're on ERC20. If anything goes wrong, like a failed transfer, it could be due to incorrect networks, so always cross-verify. And there you have it. Your Tether is now safely in Coinbase. In 2025, crypto transfers are faster than ever, but always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for long-term storage. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.